And so thank you so much for your inquiry on our Volvo S90. Just sending you a short video of the vehicle. You've got that large classic Volvo grille at the front. Front parking sensors to give you LED headlights. (18-inch) alloy wheels. Fully electronic tailgate. Really deep boot with a ski hatch in the middle. Full black leather interior. Really wide, soft seating. It's been very well looked after. ISOFIX in the rear seats as well. Memory seating on the driver's side, which obviously means you do have electric seats as well. Volvo obviously extremely well known for their safety, so this is a 5-star safety rating. Large multimedia screen that will show you the reverse camera as well. Automatic gearbox, keyless start, and electronic handbrake. You also have adaptive cruise control on the vehicle as well. Thanks for watching, hopefully you found it helpful. I look forward to speaking to you soon.